So now we will learn how to add or subtract algebraic expressions. So in order to learn how to add or subtract algebraic expressions, we need to learn some basics rules of addition and subtraction first. So first thing we need to keep in mind that we can add or subtract only sorry, like terms. Now how to do addition of like terms? Suppose I want to add 5x plus 6x. Then how to add these algebraic expression, these algebraic terms or like terms? We just need to add, or we just need to perform the addition or subtraction only on the numeric part, only on the coefficient. Variable will remain the same. If we are adding or subtracting two like terms, then keep this thing in mind, we will work only on the numeric part or only on the coefficient. Variable will remain as it is. Here 5x plus 6x, so only numeric part I'll see 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11 and variable will remain same. Similarly, if I want to subtract them, 5y plus 6y, sorry, 5y minus 6y. Then they are like terms. I need to perform operation only numbers only. 5 minus 6, and we know 5 minus 6 is minus 1y. So I hope integers rules are clear to you. If you have any doubt on integer rules, how to add and subtract the integers, just write your query in the comment section. I'll make a lecture. I'll prepare one lecture on integers then. Okay. So if we have more than 3 terms, how to do this? Suppose 5z plus 3z minus 2z. I need to solve this. Then work on numeric part. 5 plus 3, 8 minus 2, that is 6z. So try to do all the calculations in mind only. Just play with the numbers. Just solve the number part with your operation. 5 plus 3 minus 2 is 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. Variable will remain same. It is the first rule. Second is how to solve the bracket part. In order to solve the bracket, in order to open the bracket rule says, bracket rule is just see the sign outside the bracket. If we have minus sign outside the bracket, then the terms which are inside the bracket, and we need to remove the bracket. So before removing or before the terms come out from the bracket, all the signs will get changed. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Sign of all the terms will get reversed. Positive will become negative, negative will become positive. So we'll do a sum in order to get better understanding of this. So only these two things we need to follow in order to perform addition or subtraction on the algebraic expressions. So addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, you will get three types of problem in that. First type of problem you will get, simplify combining like terms. It can be written on the heading of the sum. Simplify the following expression combining the like terms. So any expression like this is the expression. Any such kind of expression can be given, and you need to you will be asked to solve the expression by combining the like terms, or if it is not written ki solve by combining the like terms, then also we need to combine the like terms. So in order to solve any algebraic expression, or in order to simplify any algebraic expression, we need to follow certain steps. First step is, or we can say rule, remove the brackets. If we have any bracket in my expression, I need to open the bracket first. So how to open the bracket first? I already told you rule of bracket. Sign outside the bracket. If minus sign is there, all the signs will get changed. If plus sign is there outside the bracket, nothing will change. the terms which are inside the bracket, they will come out as it is with their original sign. Now we need to open the bracket here. All the terms will remain same, minus AB minus. Now here bracket is there and outside the bracket there is minus sign. So I need to remove the bracket first. So in order to remove the bracket, minus sign is there. All the terms, all the sign of terms inside the bracket will get changed. A is a positive term because there is no sign before this term. So A will become minus, minus B will become plus B, minus AB will become, sorry, plus AB will become minus AB. Rest all things will remain same. You need to change the sign of only bracket terms, which are only in the bracket. Some students, some misconceptions are there. Some students, what did they do? They change sign of each and every term after the minus sign. You just need to change the sign of the bracket terms, the terms which are inside the bracket. Now these terms are not a part of this bracket. So we need to write it as it is, 3AB plus B minus A. First step is clear. Remove the brackets, and we have removed the brackets by following the rule of bracket. Second is combine the like unlike terms. We need to combine the like terms. So how to combine the like terms? First we will write first term as it is. Now here students often do mistake. In order to overcome the mistake, just follow simple steps like I'm doing. Then you will not do any mistake if you follow this. Write first term as it is, then next is find its like term, find its partners or the terms which are having same variable. So here this term is there and we need to find only a term, a variable. Like terms, you remember the terms with the same variable only. So then I need to just write the like terms minus a minus a. Now next is minus 2b, minus 2b. Just mark the terms which you are writing. So 3a I have written, mark it. Now I have written minus 2b, and I need to find its like terms. So plus b is here and plus b is here. So I'll write this plus b plus b. Then I'll mark it again. Then next term is minus ab, and I'll write minus ab. Then I'll find its partners. Write the term, find the partner, mark the partner. Only you need to follow this strategy. Minus ab plus 3ab. Two more like terms are there. So minus ab, then again it is minus ab plus 3ab. Now I need to check, do I have left any term here? No, all the terms are being marked by me. So I have written all the terms here. Rest, what you can do, if you forget to mark, if you don't like to mark here one again and again, do one thing. If you have written all the terms here by looking at the like terms, if you do practice of this 4-5 sums, you will have habit, then no need to mark this. Okay, so in order, initially you need to do this. So in order to check whether this step is wrong or right, you just can do one thing. You need to count the terms here in both the steps. When you are combining the like terms here and here, if you have combined them, then the number of terms must be same in both the steps. Okay, when you open the bracket and when you are combining the terms, all the number of terms should be same. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 terms are there, there should be 9 terms after combining the like terms, because this step is very, very important. If you do any mistake here, the rest of the sum will get wrong. Fine. Now it is simple. Now we will solve like terms like we have done. So we need to do it in mind. 3 minus 1 minus 1. Remember, if we do not have any variable, any numeric part with any of the variable term, then its numeric part is 1. If we do not have anything written, any numeric portion is written or any coefficient is written, so it is understood 1 is always there, right? So 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, again 1. So we have left with only 1a, or we need not to write 1 with a, we can write, or there is no need to write 1a, right? And sign is plus. Next is minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, again plus 1. So it will be 0. The b terms with come with variable with come coefficient 0. We do not write, we need not to write 0 numeric coefficient term, right? 0 coefficient means the term will get its value 0. Next is minus ab, we have minus 1 minus 1. It is minus 2 plus 3. So plus 1. So we no need to write 1. So it is plus AB. So only this step is very important. So how you can do it more easily? Just do one thing. If you can't do it in mind, in the beginning, mark a rough space and you just need to write the coefficients of like terms. Just say 3, then minus 1, then minus 1. You need to solve only this part. 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, and variable will remain same, a. Then again, in order to solve next set of like terms, you just need to write minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0. And then minus 1 plus 3. You just can write in order to solve it. Minus 1 plus 3. Then you can solve it. Minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So it is our final answer. When you can get to know that our answer is final or not, in your answer, after simplifying it, after combining the like terms, after solving the like terms, there should not be any like term in your answer. Answer में आपकी कोई भी like term नहीं होनी चाहिए. Only a plus ab, both are unlike, right? So it's our final answer. Second set of problem, you can get that. Add the given expressions. 2-3 expressions can be there with the sign of comma, and you will be asked to add them. So first step is only first step is different. Rest all the steps are same of simplification. You just need to remove the comma with plus sign because we need to add the numbers. So just add the numbers. It is as simple as if we are asked to add 3 numbers. So what we do? We remove the comma and we put addition sign there. Only first step is this. Remove the comma, put add sign, and you will get a simple expression. Now you need to follow the steps. You need to check the bracket. And if no bracket is there, just combine the like terms and solve the like terms like we have done in first part. Second set of problem you will get subtraction. Subtract the first expression from the second expression. It can be written subtract first expression from the second expression. 2 expressions will be given and you need to subtract first from the second. Or you can be asked subtract this from this. Direct expression can be written. Subtract this, one expression is there from this. So only one difference is there, addition and subtraction. Subtraction means when from is there, right? From this number. So we need to write from number at the first place. We need to write from expression at the first place because it is simple as that. If I ask you to subtract 5 from 8, then obvious you will write your expression as 8 minus 5, not 5 minus 8, right? So subtract this from this means I need to write this expression first, 5p plus 3q minus PQ. The expression which is written after the from, you need to write that first, because we need to subtract this from this. So I need to write this expression first. Then I'll put minus sign because I have to subtract this. In subtraction problems, you need to write first expression in the bracket only. 4 PQ minus 5Q minus 3P. So now it is, you have to just simplify it by following the rules. Remove the bracket, combine the like terms, remove and then solve the like terms. So we need to remove the bracket. In order to remove the bracket, I need to check this sign. Only one mistake the students do here is that making the expression, writing it in the form of expression. This conversion of statement in the form of expression. The statement is written subtract first from the second. So I will write second expression first. Then I'll put minus sign, then I'll put bracket. Then I will open the bracket and then I need to solve. That's it. Now, in my next lecture, if you have any doubt, any query you want to ask, and you want me to solve any of the problem from NCERT, from any book, just post your problem in the comment section. I'll solve that. Okay, then stay tuned for next lecture. In next lecture, we will learn about multiplication of algebraic expression. It is very simple. Okay, then we will done with. So my channel name is Quick Revisions. So I know it is bit fast, but it, as its name suggests, it is a quick revision. It is not a detailed session. If you want any detailed session on any of the topic, just write it in the comment box. Thank you.